Is maintenance important, or is it just another compliance requirement to meet regulations? How critical is maintenance to ensure safety in explosive atmospheres? Hello and welcome back to the Explosion Protection Professional Micro-Learning Series. I'm Bob Johnson, your guide to the world of explosion protection. In our last video, we reviewed the importance of understanding the key role hazardous location inspection plays in the overall long-term safety of our installations. Today, we will look at the key areas we need to consider when maintaining EX equipment and what we should be doing before and during this process. We explore why this is not just a routine but a necessity, rooted in the principles of the IEC 60079 standards and global electrical equipment maintenance requirements. In the dynamic realm of explosive atmospheres, maintenance isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's about safeguarding against potential hazards. Whether you buy a vehicle, a machine, or an electrical appliance for home or workplace, these units will need regular checkups and attention to ensure that they work properly and to eliminate any risk associated with their operation. If we see this in the context of explosive atmospheres, maintenance prevents explosions, period. Let's look closely at what the IEC 60079 standards state about maintaining EX equipment and ensuring longevity and safety. Imagine your electrical equipment in hazardous location as a complex machine. Over time, wear and tear may occur and components may degrade. Regular maintenance is like giving your machine a thorough medical checkup to prevent failures. The -17 standard, for example, details the inspection and maintenance requirements for electrical installations in hazardous areas. It is also a maintenance manual that guides you through the necessary steps to keep your equipment in optimal condition. Now let's broaden our perspective to global electrical equipment maintenance requirements. Various countries have their own standards and regulations for maintaining electrical equipment. Compliance with these standards is crucial to ensure safety and prevent accidents. Each country has specific maintenance requirements, and companies will have internal processes set forth to ensure safety and reliability. Maintenance isn't just about checking for visible wear. It's about ensuring that safety features, such as safety relays, battery backup UPS systems, and other critical components remain effective. It's about maintaining the integrity of the protective measures that make hazardous locations safe to work. In addition to following specific standards, a proactive and systematic maintenance approach can enhance the overall reliability of electrical equipment. Again, it's about identifying potential issues before they escalate, preventing disruptions, and ensuring continuous operation. With this, you are going above and beyond safety and regulatory compliance, ensuring optimal performance for your equipment, you, and your people. In general, all EX equipment shall be inspected at least once every 3 years, and during this period, we will be undertaking routine maintenance. It is important to note that alterations outside of the equipment certification can void the product certification. We also need to take note of isolation requirements and when we can and cannot work on EX equipment while energized. Simple things like replacing like-for-like components must be documented and recorded, and items such as relamping light fittings must be done to avoid compromising safety. We also need to fully understand what equipment we may take into a hazardous area, including our test equipment, cameras, smartphones, and other devices that may create a source of ignition, and to make sure during this maintenance process we are completely aware of the safe work procedures in hazardous areas, including access equipment, personal protective equipment, and our safe isolation procedure. As explosion protection professionals, our commitment to regular maintenance is a commitment to safety. It's about creating an environment where the risk of electrical failures and potential ignition sources is systematically reduced. Understanding the importance of maintenance in hazardous locations, equipment is a foundation for those aspiring to become expert explosion protection professionals. It's about embracing a culture of continuous improvement in safety. Thank you for joining us today to explore why maintaining hazardous location equipment is crucial. Your commitment to safety and reliability is truly admirable. For those of you who want to learn more, feel free to visit academy.bartec.com, your digital learning hub. Subscribe and enjoy our learning offering in explosion protection awareness and competency. Follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit bartec.com. Reach out to me and I will personally answer your questions. Thank you for joining me today. Our next video will cover key testing requirements based upon the relevant 60079 standards and how testing ensures we maintain a safe installation.
If you want to go beyond explosion protection awareness to reach a higher level of competency and compliance, please visit our Academy website. Email at academy@bartec.com, call us at 281-214-8542, or reach out to any of our partners and BARTEC offices worldwide. It would be our pleasure to send you the brochure and information about our digital and in-person explosion protection professional competency certification program. You will receive a BARTEC Academy EXPP certificate and have the option to obtain your IEC EX certification of personnel competency for you and your whole team.